My loves, you may have said, Dina, you deliver. Honey, if you thought I delivered before, you want to stay tuned for this Dollar Tree haul. Now, my loves, these next items is definitely giving Pottery Barn dupe. Check this out. Okay, so we have the gingerbread man. We have the pot holders. Cute, cute, cute. The kitchen towels over here. These are gorgeous. I absolutely love this. This is like my fave. And then they also have the mugs over here that goes with it. They have these placemats that goes with this mug. Honey, definitely Pottery Barn. Also have these saucers and then also the bowls, the plates. This is so gorgeous. Same as that concept. Really cute. So many beauty finds at this Dollar Tree location. Honey, they have everything. You want to stay around for this one, especially for this. Oh my goodness. I found it. Ooh, I found it. Okay, so Dollar Tree has the... Okay, so this is the EOS Dupe Pro Silk Body 24-hour moisturizing body lotion, creamy cashmere. Let's see if this is, oh, this smells good. Oh, this smells really good. I want to say that it smells way stronger and better than the actual EOS. When I tell you this next item, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. And it is this. Honey, don't sleep on Yardley. All right. So this is the Party Punch Nourishing Bath Bar. This smell. Oh, Lordy. This smells good. This smells absolutely amazing. And then they also have some other ones. This is the Jasmine and Rose Nourishing Bath Bomb. This smells good as well. But that punch. Oh, honey. And then they also have the oatmeal and almond. This is like a throwback. You get what I'm saying? And then, of course, Dollar Tree has the English lavender. Ooh, honey, you definitely smell a lavender. I am a lavender girl, by the way. And I like lavender. This one is definitely a steal deal. They all smell amazing, but that party punch. Honey, that party punch is really where it's at. Now, next item Dollar Tree has is the Gentle Cleansing Transparent Body Bar Soap Duru. I think that's how you pronounce it. 10 times moisture. These are $1.25. When I tell you this Dollar Tree haul, honey, you are going to love this. So many new finds. I am like really in heaven right now, just in case if you couldn't tell. So amazing finds. Dollar Tree also have the must-have beauty spray bottles, beauty on the go. These are amazing. They come in different colors. They have the purple, the yellow. They also have the orange. $1.50. Now, this is a newie. Brown sugar and honey body mist for melanin-rich skin. Dollar Tree. Say it ain't so. This is $1.25. They also have the Monday Smooth Wheat Protein for curly and frizzy hair. This is the conditioner. These are $1.25. And then they also have the hair shimmer spray, $1.25 as well. Now, the other day, I had brought... Honey, I haven't used grease in so long. I had brought the Softy Herbal Grow for my youngest daughter. This is $1.25. Love this. Now, other items Dollar Tree has is the Rose Olive Oil. These are hand creams. They are $1.25. They have the Lavender Vanilla, the Rose Olive Oil, and then also the Coconut Shea. If you are looking for some major dupes, Dollar Tree has the Hydro Plus Water Gel with hyaluronic acid. And this is, yes, a dupe from the one and only compared to Neutrogena. Now, Dollar Tree also have, this is another dupe as well compared to O'Keeffe's Working Hands. This is $1.25. When I tell you they out here just slaying and not playing nor delaying, honey, I'm trying to see if they have any other scent like this, but ooh, child. Now, another new item to the Dollar Tree streets is these rose serums. Okay, this is the rose face milk, smooth and also nourishing. Anything with rose I absolutely love. This is the Rose Milky Facial Hydrator, Moisturizer, and Refresh, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the LA Colors. This is the contour sticks that comes in different shades. This is $1.25. Now, if you gorgeous folks are looking for some press-ons, Dollar Tree has the 12-piece folks nails, $1.25. They also have this set as well. This is so cute, but honey, my favorite is definitely this. They also have the modern tips as well. Not my cup of tea, but these are cute. I like these, the Neutral collection. These are cute. Now, when it comes to oral hygiene, Dollar Tree has the Luminant. These are stylish dental handles to elevate your daily dental routine. These are $1.25. You get two. I love coming to Dollar Tree and buying my oral care because you get so many for $1.25. They also have a 3-pack also with the toothbrush covers, $1.25 as well. And if you really want to go all out, Dollar Tree also have the charcoal infused toothbrushes, a 8-pack for $1.25. Now, another item that's really, really good is the 20 wipes. These are 70% alcohol wipes, first aid, antiseptic, $1.25. Now, some drinks that taste absolutely amazing is the Welchers, the sparkling white grape, and also the red grape. Those drinks, they taste absolutely amazing. Now, if you fancy folks are looking for a good sauce to put on your dumplings, honey, on your chicken, on your beef, honey, this Sriracha Ranch sauce is a thumbs up. It's so good. Honey, I bought so many of these. They are absolutely amazing. Then Dollar Tree also have the Carolina Gold Wings. I haven't tried this one. I did try the Honey Thai. That one was also good. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 3-pack brown gravy mix. Honey, Thanksgiving to be here right around the corner. 3-pack for $1.25. Now, all your Thanksgiving needs, if you don't know how to throw down in that kitchen, honey, they have the seasoned Southern style green beans. And this brand is pretty good, Gloria's. They also have the Pioneer roasted turkey gravy. Let me see, Campbell's turkey gravy. Honey, that box mac and cheese, honey, that's just not for me. Stuffing mix. I do the box mac and cheese, but the Velveeta, or they have one from Walmart. That one is pretty good. But honey, this, I never had this before. The Kraft I had, but now Dollar Tree also have these gorgeous placemats. These are so nice. These are $1.50, giving you the, bougie vibe, really cute. Peace, family, peace. Okay, so we at the Dollar Tree in West New York. They have some amazing finds. Holiday decor, check this out. So Dollar Tree has these holiday pillows. Absolutely love these. So gorgeous. Look at this with the star up at the top. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here styling and definitely profiling. Now, they also have these stackable, 24 stackable decor over here. They have the snowman. They also have this one as well. The presents. They also have the Christmas tree. This is so cute. Look at this. Love this. If you guys are looking for 6-foot Noble Fern hinge trees, Dollar Tree definitely has it. They have the white one, and then they also have the green one. These are $20. They also have the 4-foot, which is $6. And then, of course, these gorgeous tinsel decor candy canes that are $6. Now, all Christmas finds, Dollar Tree has the stockings over here. These are $1.50. They also have the decorative bowls over here. If you guys are looking for decorative bells, Dollar Tree has them. Oh, these are cute. I like these with the silver at the top. They also have the LED light sets. They also have the pom-poms. Honey, they out here showing out. The mini bowls they have. Honey, they just out here. The plush Elf on the Shelf. Now, if you guys are looking for gift card holders, honey, let's just give it up. I mean, it's so neat. Everything is well faced. I mean, it's excellent. They have these gift card holders. These are so cute. Different ones. The Happy Holidays. Love this. They also have this one as well. This is cute. These are $1.50. And look at these. These are absolutely gorgeous. These cute gift boxes. Those are nice. They also have these as well. Merry Christmas. They also have these. Oh, these are nice. This is like the mailbox thing. Look how cute this is. This is nice. They also have the paper, the tissue papers over here. 24 sheets for $1.50. Now, if you guys are looking for solar stake lights, holiday theme, Christmas theme, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They also have the 20 light minis. These are $1.50. And then also the LED lanterns that comes in 3 different colors. They have the red, the white, and also the green. They also have these poinsettias over here, silver, white, gold, and also green, honey. Now, Dollar Tree also have the luncheon napkins. These are $1.50. They also have these ice cubes over here. Look at this. These are so cute. These trays, these snowflake trays, tablecloths, anyone, pillowcases. Really nice. Really cool. Chair covers. Honey, whatever you need, they definitely have it. Memo book with pens. Look at this. The paddle boards, neckties, Christmas tree skirts. Honey, they headbands. This is like the gift that just keeps on giving. And if you guys are looking for gnomes, Dollar Tree definitely has the gnomes. These are so cute. Decorative bowls over here. Different colors. And these are all $1.50.